Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 certified pre-owned GL 450 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch twin 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. An almond beige Mocha MB Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. We've got rear climate controls, rear heated seats, third row seating. Coming around back, we've got our GL 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, fold down third row seating, set of all-season floor mats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, a eucalyptus wood trim, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation. This one also does come with the lighting package, which is going to give you an adaptive high beam assist and bi-xenon headlamps. Also included with this is our 3-zone automatic climb controls. We've got our driver's assistance package, which is going to give you Distronic Plus, active blind spot assist, active lane keeping assist. Also included is parking assist, which is going to give you Parktronic with active parking and a surround view backup camera. We've got our hard keys for a media display, heated seats, climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, our turn wheel for our infotainment center. This GL has 69,080 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GL 450, check out feldmanimports.com.